bringing it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Align Motions. This is Vishal, and in today's video we are going to learn how to use clipping mask and what is clipping mask. So actually clipping mask is the mask in which the other area discarded or hidden in which you have applied. So I to use a text, just write mask and changing the color to black and make it big and set it to heavy, bold. Yeah, this is good. And now I'm gonna to use an image, any of the image, and click OK. After that, go to layers and just hold the control key to make a selection of the text and click on the text thumbnail to make a selection of the text and go back to the image layer and right click from your mouse and select a option create clipping mask and press Ctrl D or Command D to deselect. You see, and guys, this is called a clipping mask. It hides or discarded the other area outside the text. So thanks you for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe it and share it also.